Good morning, dear students. Last class I have given some important formulas under the standard forms of equations of straight lines, and even have told proof of general form of equation of straight line also. How the every first degree equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is always represents a straight line. To this I have told proof in three ways. At the same time I have given some important formulas, that is when we are saying the lines are perpendicular, when we are saying the lines are parallel, when we are saying the lines are coincident, at the same time when they are intersecting. To all these I have given reasons with respect to straight lines of equations. At the same time I have given some equations of parallel and perpendicular lines, and how to find out distance between two parallel lines. At the same time how we are going to taking a distance of a point from a point p x1 comma y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. To all these I have discussed and I have told about all these in the previous class. Today also I will tell you one important form, and afterwards I am going to starting the problems from the exercise 10.3. Let us I will tell you one important form, that is the name of the form is normal form. The last point is the normal form of the normal form of the normal form of the normal form of the equation, the normal form of the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given by minus a by square root of a square plus b square of x minus b whole dividing by square root of a square plus b square is equal to c by square root of a square plus b square if c is greater than 0, this formula. And same second formula also for that, one more second formula is there, a by square root of a square plus b square x plus b by square root of a square plus b square y is equal to minus c by square root of a square plus b square if c is less than 0. These two formulas we are going to applying to find the normal form of the equation of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If c is greater than 0 means we have to apply this formula. If c is less than 0 means we have to apply this formula. That's why the normal form of the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is always depends upon value of c. According to c is less than 0, according to c is greater than 0, then only we are going to applying the normal form of the equation of the straight line. Like that we are taking normal form of the equation of the straight line. With the help of this form, at the same time what I have told important formulas in the previous class, with the help of those also we are going to solving some different types of problems from exercise 10.3. Now let us, we are going to solving the problems from the exercise 10.3 now. Reduce the following equations and 10-point exercise questions now. Reduce the following equations reduce the following equations into slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form and find their slopes and the y-intercepts. Slopes and y-intercepts. First question. 3x plus 7y is equal to 0. See here, slope intercept form, and slope intercept form means this y is equal to mx plus c. We are going to converting into y is equal to mx plus c, because y we are taking a slope y intercept form means after mentioning that slope intercept form, they are asking values for slopes and y intercept only. That's what here we have to apply slope y intercept form. What I have given that, it is what I have told about slope y intercept form formula, that is y is equal to mx plus c. Along with that, I have given slope x intercept formula also. You may raise the doubt, why can't you apply that slope x intercept form? Because they did not ask about x intercept here, just they are asking here y intercept. That's what here we have to apply slope y intercept form. What is the slope y intercept form formula? Y is equal to mx plus c. We have to convert that problem into this form. From this formula only we are going to selecting the values of m and c here. Now see here, x plus 7y is equal to 0. See, in case of solution first, from that equation, the term should be expressed in terms of x for y. That is, the function should be in terms of x is equal to y is equal to in terms of x. Like that, we must and should express to each and every problem in that way here. See how means I will show now. At the same time, let us we are going to giving solutions to all these types of questions now. Now solution for this question is x plus 7y is equal to 0 is there. Send x that side, then it becomes 7y is equal to minus x. That is implies y is equal to minus x by 7. This implies it can be written as minus 1 by 7 of x. There is no nothing term means there is no any term in place of say means just we consider the term as 0 here. At the same time, now we are going to comparing with the form here y is equal to mx plus c here. Instead of m minus 1 by 7, instead of say 0 here. That's what here we can write m is equal to minus 7 minus 1 by 7 and c is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0. Therefore, slope m means here slope is equal to minus 1 by 7. At the same time, and y-intercept is equal to here 0. Y-intercept is equal to 0. Like that we are finding the values of slope and y-intercept from the given line equation here. And firstly, we converted that given general form of equation of line, that is a given equation of line, into slope y-intercept form. After converting that, we are going to comparing with standard form y is equal to mx plus c. By comparing that, we got the values of m and c like this here. The value of m is minus 1 by 7 and the value of c is 0. Their slope and y-intercepts respectively. Like that, we give solution for this question. Well, let us, we are going to solving another question now. Second question is 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Same how we solved the previous question, similarly in the same way we are going to giving solution for this question also. How means I will show you. That is, let us now we are going to giving solution for this question. 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Send 6x that side, send minus 5 that side, it becomes 3y is equal to minus 6x plus 5. This implies y is equal to minus 6x plus 5 whole dividing by 3. That is implies y is equal to, you separate them here, minus 6 by 3 of x plus 5 by 3. At the same time, better get cancellations here. Then we will get here implies y is equal to minus 2x plus 5 by 3. At the same time, comparing with general slope y-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus c, then you will get m value is minus 2 and c value is 5 by 3. That is implies you will get m is minus 2 and c is equal to here 5 by 3. That means we can write in terms of words, slope is equal to minus 2 and y-intercept is equal to y-intercept is equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3 here. Like that, we are finding slope and y-intercept form. They gave here 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. And we converted like this, 3y is equal to minus 6x plus 5, y is equal to minus 6x plus 5 whole dividing by 3. And to separate them with the help of denominator and gets the cancellations, finally you got here minus y is equal to minus 2x plus 5 by 3. At the same time, we comparing with slope y-intercept form, like y is equal to mx plus c, then you get m is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 5 by 3. That's all for this question. Like that, we gave solution for this question. Now let us, we are going to solving another question. Third question is y is equal to 0. Just they gave y is equal to 0 only. But that easily we can write like this. See, in case of solution, we are going to writing y in this way. Solution to this question is y is equal to 0 can be written as y is equal to 0 of x plus 0. That's why now we are going to comparing with y is equal to mx plus c. That's what m value is 0 and c value is 0. That is m is equal to 0 and we can take c value also here 0. M means here we can consider for m is slope is equal to 0. At the same time we consider for c is the y-intercept. That's what here we can write y-intercept is equal to 0 here. Like that we are going to finding the values of m and c, that is slope and y-intercept respectively. Like that we give solutions for slope y-intercept form questions. When they give equations how to convert into slope y-intercept form means like that we are going to converting into slope y-intercept form. At the same time we collected the values of slope and y-intercept also. Like that we give solutions to like all these questions. Let us now we are going to solving another type questions now. Second question. Reduce the following equations. Reduce the following equations. Reduce the following equations into intercept form. Into intercept form. Into intercept form. Intercept form. And find their intercepts. And find their intercepts. Find their intercepts. Find their intercepts on the axis. On the axis. First question is 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. See here, and before these questions they asked on questions on slope y-intercept form. That's why we converted those equations into slope y-intercept form in those three questions. Now in this case they are asking questions on intercept form. Intercept form means already I have told proof for that also, like this proof. Formula for intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. We must be converted into this form. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1 here. See here, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0, and we convert this whole equation into that form. How means I will show you now. At the same time we are going to giving the solution for this question. Let the given equation let the given equation here 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0 here. Send minus 12 that side. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Throughout equation dividing by 12, that is 3x by 12 plus 2y whole dividing by 12 is equal to 12 whole dividing by 12. Why we are going to dividing the whole equation by 12 means we should get in place of 12 as 1. If you want to get in place of 12 as 1 means must and should divides with 12 only there. If you want to convert this into that form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, to this equation must and should divide him with 12. That's what here have taken with division with 12 only. That's why dividing by 12 to this whole equation. One gets the cancellations here. 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja, 3 1 ja and 3 4 ja here. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja and 12 gets cancelled. That's what finally you got here x by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. Now with comparison with general form of intercept form of equation of straight line is given by, that is we are going to comparing this equation with that formula. Then if we can compare like that, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, then we will get values of a and b, or a is equal to 4 and another one is b is equal to 6, where a is we can call that x-intercept is equal to 4 at the same time, and y-intercept is equal to 6. That is y-intercept is equal to 6. Like that we are finding that values of x-intercept and y-intercept, and before that we converted into in that form. By converting into that form only we can get the values of a and b here. Like that we gave the solution for this question. Let us we are going to solving another question. 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. Second question is 4x minus 3y is equal to 6 here. Four x minus 3y is equal to 6 means here also we are going to convert this whole equation into that form here. So here solution for this question is, let the given equation 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. Then throughout equation dividing by 6 here. 4x by 6 minus 3y by 6 is equal to 6 by 6. 2 2s and 2 3s. 3 1s, 3 2s. 6 gets cancelled. 2x by 3 minus y by 2 is equal to 1. That is 2x by 3 can be written as x whole dividing by 3 by 2 plus y whole dividing by minus 2 is equal to 1 here. Now comparing with the intercept form of equation of straight line, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. If you can compare with this formula, then we will get the values of a and b like this. A is equal to 3 by 2 and b is equal to minus 2. That is x-intercept is equal to x-intercept is equal to 3 by 2 and y-intercept is equal to minus 2. Y-intercept is equal to here minus 2. Y-intercept is equal to minus 2 here. Like that, we are finding the values of x-intercept and y-intercept. We converted that equation into the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 only. By converting that, finally we got the values of small letter a and b or 3 by 2 and minus 2 respectively. Let us now, we are going to solving another question. Third question is 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 here. Here there is no x term. If there is no x term, that is there is no x coefficient, at the same time we don't have x term also. If there is no present means just we consider it in place of the term as 0 here. How means I will show you at the same time I am going to giving solution for this question also. Because all these questions are depending upon this form only, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Why I have written that formula means they have mentioned in the question reduce the following equations into intercept form. That's what I have written that formula there. Now let us, we are going to giving solution for this question. Let the given equation, let the given equation, let the given equation 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. It can be written as 0 of x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. That implies we can write here 0 of x plus 3y is equal to minus 2. Then throughout equation dividing by minus 2 here. It implies we can write here 0 by 2 of x, 0 of by 2 x minus 2 plus 3 by minus 2 of y is equal to minus 2 whole dividing by minus 2. On gets cancellations. Here also 0 by 2 means that implies we can write here x by 0 of x plus into minus otherwise y whole dividing by minus 2 by 3 is equal to here 1. Otherwise here we don't have x-intercept here. That's what we can tell here. X-intercept is 0. X by 0. It can be written as also x by 0. X by 0 means we can take this as the x by 0 means x-intercept is 0. Otherwise you can write like this also here. X by minus 2 by 0 like this. Otherwise 0 by minus 2 means 0 here. X by 0 plus y by minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. That's what we can comparing with x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Therefore a value is equal to here 0 and b value is equal to minus 2 by 3. That's what here x-intercept is equal to 0. X-intercept is equal to 0 and y-intercept is equal to y-intercept is equal to minus 2 by 3. Like that we give solution for this question. Here we don't have x term, that's what we can write easily. X intercept is 0, at the same time y intercept is minus 2 by 3. Like that we are giving solution for this question. Let us we are going to solving another question. Next question is, reduce the following equations. Reduce the following equations. Reduce the following equations. Reduce the following equations into normal form. Into normal form. Normal form. Find their perpendicular distances. Find their perpendicular distances. Perpendicular distances. Distances from the origin. From the origin. And the angle between and angle between and angle between perpendicular and positive axis. Between the perpendicular and the positive x-axis. And the positive x-axis. Positive x-axis. First question is, x minus root 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. Normal form they are asking here. Normal form means based on the value of c, whether is it greater than 0 or less than 0. That is it positive or negative. If positive means one more formula is there, if negative means one more formula is there. That's what in this equation, first you can compare with general form of equation of straight line. You are going to getting the values of small letters a, b and c. After getting those values, easily we can decide whether c is less than 0 or greater than 0. How means? I will show you. At the same time, I am going to giving solution for this question also. Now, let us now we are going to giving solution for this question. Let the given equation of line x minus root 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. If there is no nothing means just consider one only here. Now comparing with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 here. A is equal to here 1, b is equal to here minus root 3 and c is equal to here 8. We got 3 values here. Here c is equal to 8 means it is greater than 0. Here c is equal to 8. 8 means here greater than 0. Greater than 0 means you have to apply this formula, minus a by square root of a square plus b square of x minus b by square root of a square plus b square y is equal to c whole dividing by square root of a square plus b square. This formula we have to apply here. That is minus 1 by square root of 1 square plus minus root 3 whole square of x. Otherwise, you can take x here also, no problem. Plus of y into minus b is here minus y of b is minus root 3 whole dividing by square root of 1 square plus minus root 3 whole square is equal to c value is 8 whole dividing by square root of 1 square plus minus root 3 whole square. Then x whole dividing by minus 1 by 1 plus root 3 whole square is 3 minus y whole dividing by minus root 3 whole dividing by, it is also 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3 is equal to 8 whole dividing by square root of 1 plus 3 here. It is x of minus 1 by square root of 4 means 2 minus to minus plus y whole dividing by root 3 by 2 is equal to 8 by 2 here. Now we are going to converting into this form. Now gets cancellations, then we'll get x of minus 1 by 2 plus y of root 3 by 2 is equal to 4. Already we knew about general form of equation of straight line. Even have told proof for normal form of equation of straight line also. That is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Now we are going to comparing which x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p here. Cos alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2 and sin alpha is equal to plus root 3 by 2. Same value should get here. Which value? About that now we will discuss. See here, in case of 120 degree, cos 120 degree is minus 1 by 2 and sin 120 degree also root 3 by 2. Because 120 is lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative and sin is positive. That's what you have to compare like that. Cosine function is negative and sine function is positive in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, generally we are getting angles between 90 to 180. 90 to 180 means the angle is 120 degree. Even if you can check also, you should get those answers only here. That's what here cos alpha is equal to here, cos alpha is equal to here cos minus 1 by 2 means, and cos alpha is equal to here cos 120 degree. Now cos gets cancelled, therefore alpha is equal to here 120 degree we can write. Here also sin alpha is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin alpha is equal to, we can write sin of 120 degree. Gets cancelled, alpha is equal to 120 degree. You may raise doubt also here. Root 3 by 2 is the value for sine 60 degree also know, why we are not writing 60 degree there? If we can write 60 degree, that will come in the first quadrant. At the same time, the cosine function is positive now, but here cosine function is negative. That's why that value must and should applicable to both angles for cosine and sine. That's what here we have selected here 120 degree only. 120 degree is the suitable and exact value for both sine and cos here. That's what we can write. Cos alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2, or cos alpha is equal to cos 120 degree. Cos gets cancelled, alpha is equal to 120 degree. Even for sin alpha also we are going taking 120 degree here. And finally, we can write here P is equal to 4. It is the length of the perpendicular distance from origin onto that given line. It's the normal form of equation of straight line. Alpha is 120. Angle between the perpendicular line and x-axis is 120 degree. At the same time, the length of the perpendicular is 4 units. 4 units here. Like that, we gave answer. Otherwise, we can write 4 units also, no problem here. 4 units. Like that, we gave solution like this. Like that, today I have finished some different kinds of problems from exercise 10.3, that is the conversion of slope y-intercept form, conversion into that intercept form. At the same time, we did one question on normal form also. That we'll do some different types of problems from exercise 10.3 only. On next class, we'll solve like all those questions. Thank you very much.